For this class, all students will be recording themselves taking tests using Tegrity. So one of the first things we need to do is get Tegrity installed on your computer. So we're going to go to atu.tegrity.com. It's going to take you to the login screen. You're going to put in your login and password that you use for Blackboard and OneTech. Okay, we're going to have a list of courses, but the first time, just to install Tegrity, we're going to go ahead and click on Start a Recording. We're going to give it permission. A lot of times you'll get a box down here in the bottom left-hand corner, a file download box that you are going to click on when it gets done and is ready to open. Then you're going to see your Tegrity box showing how far along your download and install is. This may take a couple minutes. Once it installs, you will see your Tegrity recorder dialog box pop open, and it's going to have several settings that we will talk about in the next video.